Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Friday to you. We got a great piece here, especially for the local Angelinos. This is from the Los Angeles Brewing Company. Again, this was something the brewing company would have made as an advertisement to go into either the retail stores or the bars that the beer was being served at. But you got a nice lady and a couple of gentlemen in their 1920s vehicle whipping by, and she's their dog barking at the car. So it's great content, beautifully framed. Take a look at it. Every time Jim does something with a frame, it's beautifully done. So if you are into any kind of vintage advertising or Los Angeles Brewing specific, or you want something from Southern California, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.